Aloe Vera Wine recipe and benefits. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. Aloe vera is one of the most fascinating medicinal plants and it has been studied by researchers all over the world. This plant has multiple therapeutic uses and it has been used for centuries for cosmetic and medicinal purposes. The Egyptians have been using it since 1500 BC to treat wounds, burns, infections, and parasites. Even today, aloe vera is used successfully for the same conditions. The researchers say that aloe acts like a detoxifying and digestive agent for the body. Aloe vera wine recipe number 1. This medicinal wine is a unique source of vitamin B1, 2 and other vitamins from the B complex. It also contains minerals and healthy fatty acids. If you own an aloe vera plant, then you should not hesitate to prepare this amazing medicinal wine at home. There are 2 recipes of the wine, as you will see below. Ingredients: 5 aloe vera leaves, 2 kilograms of sugar, cup of raisins, 1 teaspoon of yeast, the juice from an orange or lemon, 8 cups of water. Preparation: clean and wash the aloe vera leaves and cut them in small pieces. Put them in a large glass jar and mix them with the raisins, sugar, and citrus juice. Furthermore, let the water boil and after that put it over the aloe mixture. Separately, dissolve the yeast in some warm water and pour it over the aloe mixture that has already cooled. Cover the jar and let the solution soak for 21 days. Shake the container regularly. Once the 21 days have passed, you can strain the wine and put it in a sterilized bottle. Aloe wine recipe number 2. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of aloe leaves, 2.5 kilograms of honey, 3.5 liters of 14 to 18 degrees red wine. Preparation: to prepare the aloe wine, you will need large aloe vera leaves, about 3-5 years old. If your aloe vera is in a flower pot, then don't forget to water it 5 days before using it for the recipe. Mince the leaves, then mix them in a bowl with the honey and the red wine. Put the mixture in a large glass jar and close it tightly. Let the mixture soak for about 5 days in a cool and dark place. Administration: so as to benefit from the aloe vera wine properties, you can follow a 2-3 weeks treatment. Don't take it more than 1 month. For the first week, you must take the solution thrice a day. Take 1 teaspoon of the wine 2 hours before every meal. For the next weeks, you will increase the dose and you'll take 1 teaspoon, 3 times per day, an hour before every meal. The aloe vera wine will increase your appetite. During this treatment, your diet must be based on fruits, vegetables, raw or steamed, soups and grilled meat. Indications: the aloe vera wine is beneficial for a wide array of conditions and ailments. Take it accordingly to the above mentioned indications. It is useful for toothaches, digestive problems, headaches, detoxification and boosting the immunity, nervous fatigue, inflammations, mastoiditis, eczema and other skin conditions, asthma, rheumatism, flu, sclerosis, alcoholism, allergies. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and share this video with your friends.